Okay, and this is MC 10 one, level 1 class, right?
Yeah.
And if you want to talk to the class, you can talk. Otherwise, you can mute yourself because we are record, right? Recording, okay? And I will post the record video in YouTube after class, okay? Today I want to talk about factors and divisors, okay? This is about the number theory. And we'll go over some terms and some formulas, some theory. Then we solve MC10, MC12, Amy problem, okay? I'm not here to answer that question, difference between level 1, level 2, okay? You can ask after class. Okay, now we talk about math. Now, factor, okay? And this is what do we do? Let's say 12. 1 times 12, right? 2 times 6, we can keep going. And this is called a factor of 12. Also itself, right? Also 2, also 6, 3, 4, whatever, right? That's called a factor. And we are going to learn how to calculate the number factor of a number, okay? And the same number here, take a look at this one. You can do the 12 divided by 1, divided by 1, get 12, right? 12 divided by 2, you get 6. Do you see? And here we call it a factor. And here, what do we call? What do we call that?
Denominator.
Huh? We call that divisor, right? Divisor, okay? So actually, in fact, divisor and factor, the same thing, right? Depend on what you view them, okay? If you view from multiplication point, they are factors. If you view from a division point, they are divided, okay? That means same thing. When they say find the number of factors, same as find the number of divisors, okay? And we get another term called a multiple, okay? Multiples are the products, okay, bigger number, right? Like this one, 2 times 12, and the product is this, 24. 24 is a multiple of 2, right? Also multiple of 12, right? And another term called prime factorization. And who knows this term, prime factorization? Good job. Good job. I see some returning students, right? I see several. And math kind of 2. And this class we got about 20 students. We're okay, right? And level 2 get more. Math content level 2 get more than 40. So crowd, we're good, okay? This class is good. And we do prime factorization. We write everything, every factor here in terms of the prime number. This is not good yet, okay? But this is good. 2, 3, 7, prime number. And I want you to memorize this. And who already memorized this one? 1, 0, 0, 1 equals 7, 11, 13. Yeah, good to memorize, okay? Now we go first theorem. First theorem got a very big name, fundamental theorem of arithmetic. But we do not really use this one to solve any problem, okay? In problem solving, we do not use that. But why we are showing here? Because tell you something. Okay? Any composite number besides 0 and 1 can be written as a product of prime number. And this writing is unique. That means what? That means if you have a problem, you do not get two solutions. You get only one solution. That is good, right? Okay? Now, and I want to talk about this theorem. And if, okay, A divide B, and I also divide C. And what do you see this? What is this? And anybody know that? And which one is the numerator? Which one is the denominator? Which one? We write A divided B or B divided by A? Which one? A is the A is the denominator. Okay? And we do this. And what does that mean? That means this one is the integer. Integer, okay? That means less than 12 divided by 3. You get a 4, okay? And this is a B, this is A. That means this is what do you see? 3 divides 12, okay? And also you see this. 12 is divisible by 3, okay? And this is that means same thing. They all mean same thing. And do you see that?
Yeah.
And this is a number theorem. And do this way. Okay, is that clear now? Is that clear? Three things mean same. Okay? If we write that, now we get this. We get first theorem. Then we get A divides JB plus KC. Okay, this is one thing. And what does that mean? Here, J, K, any integer. Okay, can be set K, J, R, any integer. Is that okay if J, K equals 0? Is that okay or not okay? Okay. What about 5? Is that okay?
It's okay.
What about -3? Negative. Is that okay? Yeah, okay. All good, okay? Integer means anything. Integer, right? So we're not going to prove this. And I will show you very easy to prove. Let's use an example, okay? Let's 3 divided by 6, right? That means 6 is divided by 3. 3 also divided by 15, which is 2, right? Right? Do you think 3 divided by any combination, 6 plus k times 15? This is true or not true? Certainly it is true, right? 6j plus 15k divided by 3, which is the integer, right? You see that? We get actually we get 2j plus 5k, which is the integer. So divisible, right? So this rule is easy to see. Okay? We get JK can be anything. And how do we choose JK? And we choose whatever we like, whatever is good for us. Okay? Whatever is good and get you out of trouble. that number. We choose that. Okay, we will show how to do that. Okay, this is one. We are going to use this one solve a hard question. Okay, we can even solve IMO problem with this theorem. So I want you to know this. And another formula, number of divides. Okay, you can mute yourself if you are not talking to the class. So we will not record background noise, right? Did you hear me? Now, we do this. We do let's say any number, A, right? Any number, okay? Come here, any number. This is what we do. We write as a prime, we do prime factorization, okay? We don't know what this number is, but we can write P prime number 1 power A times P2 power B. You can keep going, right? P3 depending on what the number is A. Okay? PK power M. Okay, this is the number. Probably you do not have so many, right? Like 12, A is 12. We're gonna get 2 power 2 times 3 power 1. Okay? See, P1 will be 2, A will be 2, P2 will be 3, B will be 1, like that, okay? Depend on your number. Now, how many factors do we get for A? We get a formula. Certainly you can list, but we do not go that way. Take time, right? That's how we get 100 or 1,000 or 1 million, whatever. How many factors are there? If you list, take more time, right? So this is formula, okay? D means divisor or factor, whatever, okay? A means the number A. And this is the way we get that. We do this, okay? We take A down. We put A here. We plus 1. Then we take B down here. We plus 1. We do product, okay? This is product. Then we take C1, C plus 1. We take every exponent, okay? And exponent, this must be prime number. We keep doing that. This product is the answer key. And do you see that? Do you understand this? This is the formula. And you can list if a number is small. Okay? Now I want, this is total number factor, right? And we can do this. Let's say 12. Can you try how many factors we get for 12? We try this. And did you try this formula? I know it is 6. Did you try it? You get 2 power 2, right? Times 3 power 1. So we take 2 out, down. Put it 2 over here. D12 equal that. So we do product, right? Then we move this 1 over down, over here. You got 3 times 2, which is 6. And we see that, right? First page. Okay? This is the formula. And you know this, right? No trouble. Right? This is the way. And let me ask you, who knows how to calculate number of divides of any positive integer? Who knows that by now, using this formula to prime factorization? Good job. That's a lot. Now, and what is the number of even factor? Let me do the example, okay? Let's say what is 36? We do prime factorization. What do we get? 2 power 2, right? 3 power 2, right? And then with time another 2 get 72. We do this, right? Let's use 72. 72, okay? And we want to know how many even factor 72 has, how many even factor, and how many even factor, Okay, I see 10. And this is idea, okay? We change this to, we take a 1, 2 out. 2 power 2 times 3 power 2, right? Do you see? And this one, they equal, right? Is that true or not true? This one. True, right? So now, do you see every factor inside this one after multiplied by 2 will be even? Do you see? So now our job is to calculate how many factors we get for this one, right? How many factors do we get? How many? 9. So the answer is 9. 72 get 9 even factor. Okay, good job. Take 1, 2 out. Okay, now how many odd factor? 72. How many odd factor? How do you get 3? How do you get 3? 12 minus 9. Oh, okay. You can do directly. Okay, I want to show you how we do directly. We take this all 3 out, 2 out, strike that out. We're going to get a 3 power 2 left. Any factor of this will be odd because no even factor at all. Do you see? And this one, we remove all the even factor out. And we calculate how many factor this one left. Okay? There. Okay. Okay. Now, we still use that. Probably still use this as an example. Okay? 72. Okay? 72. 72 equal 2 power 3 times 3 power 2. Okay? And this is another question. How many factors are multiple of 6? How many factors of 72 are also multiple of 6? And what do we do? We take 6 out. Okay? Get 2 power 2 times 3 power 1. Right? Right? So now, our job is to calculate how many factors for this one. Any factor inside of that, after multiply by 6, will be a multiple of 6, right? So we do 2 plus 1, 1 plus 1, go by exponent, right? So get a 6. Okay, is that clear? That clear? Okay. Now another one. This. Okay, another one is this. Number of divisors that are square number. And we do something this one. How many square numbers are there for 72? How many square numbers can you see? Can you get? And this is the idea, okay? This is the idea. You do this square number. Okay, anything inside. Okay, after we do power 2 here, will be a square number. Same idea, same thinking. So with this one, we get 3, no problem, right? And this 2, we get 2 with that. We got another 2. Do you see? This is power 3. So we leave that 2 out. Okay? We write that way. This 2 has no contribution. Okay, left out. So we just need to calculate how many factor inside. Get power 1, do you see? So 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, and get a 4 answer. Okay? Now, how many cubic number? How many cubic? How many cubic? And this one is we got a small number. We can do this. We do this. Anything inside will be good. So this one not qualified, right? No power 3. So leave that out. And this one get in. And this one is power 1, right? How many factor for this one? 2, right? Because this one is 1. So 1 plus 1 will be 2. Okay? So any number, any factor will be cubic number. So the answer is 2, okay? This one wasted. Okay? And another formula is called sum of the divisor. Sum. Okay, the letter 12, we got many divisor. What the sum? And we got a formula, okay? And this formula is this. And if you take a look at this, 24.2, complicated, right? I use an example, okay? 72, right? 2 power 3, 3 power 2, okay? How many, not how many, sum. What's the sum of all the factors? And this is the way, okay? We do this, we use this. Okay, 72, omega. That is, what do we call this? Rho? Omega, whatever. Greek letter. Sigma. And now we do this. We do we take this. Okay, the 2 power. This is 2 power 3, right? And we move down 2 power 3. Okay. Now we go 2 power 2, 2 power 1, 2 power 0. Stop. Okay. Now second one. 3 power, you use the parentheses, okay? You go down, okay? You go 3 power 1 until you 3 power 0. What is 3 power 0? Yeah, and until you see 1. So this will be product. Do you see if this number is large, the product will also be large, right? And this is a way to do a sum of the divisor. Okay? And you can use this one also, if you like, or use this one, same idea. Okay? Now, this is called the product, just for your information only. Again, this number will be very large. Okay? We do not go anything further. Now, I want to introduce some table. Okay, good for you to know, okay? Table factor counting number from 1 to 100. Take a look at this one. What is that? Anybody can tell what is that? What are the numbers? Prime number, right? Or prime number, the exponent is what for prime number? Exponent. 1. So 1 plus 1 is what? 1 plus 1. 2, that's by formula, right? Number of factors, all prime numbers will be 2, okay? 1 and itself. And let me ask you, who can memorize all the prime number? 2 to 97. Who can memorize all? You better memorize, okay? From 1, how many do we have? From 1 to 100. 25, right? Okay, let me ask you one more question, okay? Who can memorize? After 97, what do you get for prime number? After 101, right? 101, 3, right? 107, 109, right? This is all good. Okay? Now, who can memorize all the prime number from 101 to 200? Who can memorize that? Not you. Not many, right? You better memorize that, okay? Some kids can memorize up to 500. I know that. Probably 200 is good for you, okay? 200. And do you think 191, 193, 197, 199 prime number or not? Other prime number. See, you get 8 already, right? Total not many, okay? Okay, what about this? And let's say 6. Where the 2 times 3, right? And 10, 2 times 5, right? So power 1, power 1, power 1. I got 4 factors, okay? And this is a square number, right? Square number, how many factors for square number? All 3, right? Because any number in power 2, we don't care about this. Plus 1, right? And I want you to memorize this one, okay? This number got 8 factors. Another this one got 12 factors. Good for you, okay? You see problem, you can answer right away. Otherwise, you still can do that. They ask you how many 2-digit numbers have 8 factors. This is the question, okay? Then you need to get all of them. How you do that? We get a method. Okay, if you remember all, you right away put it down, your answer. If you don't, you need to do some analysis, okay? Use some formula. We're going to do some, okay? Going to do some. But for this small number of terms, better to memorize that, okay? And you look at the table. Lot of problem. Okay, now we are ready to do problem solving. Now it's your turn. Okay, it is your turn. Go ahead. Joshua got an answer already, but got an A. Joshua got an A. PW got a C. Dylan got a C. Michael got a C. Andy got a C. And me, better put your name, okay? Hard for me to call me. Mr. Me, can you change back to your good name to call? Oh, thank you. And I got trouble to call me. If you get a correct answer, you won't be credit, right? And how we do this? And can we say power of 4? Can we say 4 plus 1? 5. Can we write the E? Can we do E answer? Good job, VW. PW is a returning student. He did very good. Also Dylan. This one not a problem, right? So we write 60 equal to power 2, 3, 5. We put a 1 better, right? So now we get a power 4. So everyone got a power 4, right? 8, 4, 4. So we need this one plus 1 times this one plus 1 times that one plus 1, right? I don't know. What's the answer? Take a look. And what do we got? 2 to 5, right? 2 to 5. And do you see, if we get 2 to 5, what do you get trouble? What trouble do you get? What trouble? You did not really care for it, right? If we get to the 5, you did not really care for it, exactly. Okay? Now we do another one. This one. Any more answer? I see one answer from Davis. Anybody else? Christopher got E. Anybody else? Probably we need more time, right? Okay. Do you want me to talk? Dylan got a E. Michael got a E. Good job. And it is a E, okay? And this is this number is 100 100 another 101, right? Exactly. 1001 power 2. Good job. And we do some manipulation. Change, right? You see? Do you see this square number? Is that a square number? A squared. 2ab is 1, right? Square number. So 1001, remember I said memorize this. Okay? So 27, right? Now another one. Another one is not hard, probably easy for you. Go ahead with this one. I see PW got answer already. Very quick, good job. Okay, pretty good. And we do 2016 prime factorization like this, right? Right? You see that? And after that, because of k, 2 power k is divided. So that means this one is divided. Okay? 2k, k is 5. And what about this one? Good job. It is a D, right? And do you want me to talk about this one or you know how to do this? You have no trouble with this one. D is good. Do you have trouble? Do you want my explanation talk? Okay, sure. 150 m, right, is a cubic number. So we do prime. We have nothing to do with m, right? And we take a look at this 150. Okay, 150 prime factorization will be 2 times 3 times 5 power 2, right? So the whole thing will be like this, right? Okay. Now this is a cube. Okay. So we need a 5 power 1, right? Do you see? Every time that will get a cube. And this one we do 3 power 2 will get a cube, right? This one we do 2 power 2 will get a cube, right? Do you see? Cube, 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 right? So this will be m. Do you see that or not? This is m. If m is that, we get a cubic number minimum. Certainly you can get a bigger number. You can do time 7-3, but that's not what we want. And is that clear? That clear? This is why we do that. So we get m, certainly we get n, right? You get an answer. Okay? Very typical. Now we do another one, okay? We skip some problem. Skip this, okay? I do a real MC problem coming up. This is from 2003. Go ahead. I see answer, correct answer. Very nice. And how you did this? Did you do prime factorization? 2, 2, 3, 1, 5, 1, right? How many factors do we get? How many factors? How many? 12, right? The bottom will be 12, P. What about the top? we find a factor less than 7. What do we get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, exactly. 6 of get a 1/2. Okay? This is MC time problem like this. Okay? The easy or hard, this problem. Easy, okay, very good. You get it, right? You have no trouble, right? Okay. Now take a look at this one. Easy, right? Okay, very good. And we do, okay, do you want me to talk? Anybody want me to talk about this one? Move on. Okay. Okay. Move on, okay? We just we put any number with a square on in it, right? Everything else will be out. This one, take a look at this one. How many odd? Go ahead. How many odd perfect square vector? I see a good answer. 24, right? And we want to odd. All the even factor needed to be deleted, right? Exactly. We take all 2 out. We only consider about 3 power 6 times 5 power 10, right? So we take care about this, okay? So we move on, move unit power, see, okay? Now we are going to do MC 12 problem. Okay, we take a challenge. Problem 23, take a look at this one, okay? And I'm going to give you some help. Is that okay? Do you want me to give you some help? MC 12, problem 23. And because why I give you some help? Because I think it's fair. Okay, no need. Probably need it, okay? At that time, you can use a calculator, 2003. And but now we are not able to use a calculator. Oh, you don't know that? Okay, factorial. Okay, this is MC10, so you should take a math card or MC8. And that's 3 factorial. What is 3 factorial? We take 3 over here, and we times 2 times 1, then we stop. If it is 5, and we go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, then we stop, okay? This is called factorial. And you need to learn some counting from counting. Okay, this is what I want to give you help, okay? And the whole thing will be this. 2 power 30 times 3 power 13 times 5, 7, 3. Now you work on this one, okay? With the calculator, you can get that right away, okay? But now I work part for you. You work through the rest. Go ahead. MC 12. Problem 23. Now you need to whatever it is not good, you need to come out with your answer. You cannot say that in your answer sheet when you do MC10. You got a 0 point. You need to be able to calculate a small number, right? B is good. And this is what we do here. Do you want me to talk or we can move on? Anybody want me to talk? Talk. Andy, what grade you are in, Andy? What grade? 5th. Oh, you go 5 level higher. 5 MC10. And this is what we do, okay? We need to get a square. That means this. Something outside, something inside, right? 2, this one. You got a 2 power 15, right? No problem. Okay, this one. 3, 12, no problem. This one, 12, right? So 12 will be 6 because this is 2, move out. This one got 4, right? 5, 2, it is 5, 4. This one got 7, 1, okay? We miss some. This one, no problem. This one we miss 3, we put over here. This one we miss 5, we put over here. This one we miss nothing. We miss 7, right? Right? So this all does not count because they are not square number. So we can high minus square number inside. And then we do 16, 15 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 1 plus 1, right? Your mother got a master degree, is confused. Now, don't worry about her. And she is not my student. As long as you are not confused, my job is good, right? Right? Are you clear? Good. And if you have trouble, and you can review, okay? Review the notes, video, and do homework, okay? Now another MC12 problem coming up. Take a look, complicated, look like. Okay, take a look. MC12. Oh, you got a quick C, I see 2C. Smart is the perfect cube. Having n as a factor, divisor. I see PW got a D. Chris got a C. And I got a D. I got a D. Take a look why I got a D. And A, E, I can eliminate A and E. Do you agree? I can eliminate D, A and E. Do you see that? A, E not working. A and E. Do you see it? Yeah, A is not working. So A is working or not working? A is working, right? A is working, right? And E is not working, okay? Then we divide it, okay? we divide. After we do division, we see factor. ABC. Let me see. E is working or not working. Let me take it. E is not a square number, but this one is, right? A is a square number. And if we divide that. Let's divide, okay? P8, we do 1, okay? Q8, R8, divided by P, Q, R4. What do we get? P7, right? Q6, right? R4, right? Right? And then we do same thing for this one, same thing for this one, same thing for this one, okay? Then we compare which one is the smallest. I got a D, okay? D. Now we do another MC10 problem. MC10, okay? This one you need to do that. And this one, MC10. Take a look. This one not a big number, right? Factor is okay, not that big. You can manage. Okay. Take a look at this one. Okay, yeah, E is good. And this is what I did here. Take a look. I did, this is from our filter solution. That lists them. And this is what I did. We get a formula, okay? This one, right? We do prime, factorize that, and we get this. Okay? After we get that, and we do cubic number. Okay? We write this. We write cube, right? 2, no problem. 2, we get, we write 2 power 6, right? 3 power 3, right? 5, 5, we have no way to do that, right? 5, you see here? Get that. And now we write 2 power 2, right? And 3 power 1. 5 power 2. 7 left, right? You see? Can we do that? Can we do that? And this one I gave 2 power 8, right? 3 power 4. 5 power 2, 7. Okay? So now we are ready to do a cube. We do this cube. 3 will be 1, right? 2 will be 2. Do you see? The rest we don't care, right? We don't care that. No good. So we only care how many factor inside. Any factor inside after you do this will be a cubic number. Okay? So we got a small number, right? Right? 5 more minutes left. And let's go. Let's go. Let me see if 5. And I want to skip some, okay? I want to skip something. Okay, let's do this one. And I cannot talk of every problem. We do that. We'll skip some. Okay. And see this one. Find the smallest positive unit with exact 8 possible unit divider, right? And also get the take a look at this one. How many 2 did get 12? Okay, I have no time to talk about this. This is a little bit not that hard. I leave that to you. Okay. Now we do this one. We do hard one. Okay. We do this one. Take a look. And anybody knows this term Amy? What is Amy? After you qualify, you will be invited to take this test free, right? Yeah, after 10 or 12. Hard, okay? Harder than MC10, M12 generally. Okay, take a look at this one. This is a Amy problem. How we solve this? Exactly. Now we are doing problem solving. And you also know that. Good job. Can I talk? Do you need help? Got 2 minutes. Help, right? Okay. I'm going to show you how we use our knowledge to solve this RAB problem, okay? Generally, you get more minutes, 10 more minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes to solve one RAB problem, okay? But today we do not have that time. And okay, this is what we do, okay? We do 1099. We want to find out the random select factor of this. Okay, is multiple 1088, okay? And we do prime factorization. What do we get? Get 299 times 599. How many factors do we get? How many factors? Which is the denominator, right? 99 plus 1, 99 plus 1. That's many factor, okay? And this factor, how many are multiple of 89? How many of them are multiple of 10 power 88? Do you have any idea? How many? And this is my what I did, okay? I take this 10, 88 out. Anything inside will be a multiple of this. Remember that? How many multiples 4? How many multiples, right? And what is this? What is the inside? What is the inside? 11, right? And how many factors do you get for this one? Anything inside, anything in this. After you multiply by that one, will be multiple of 1088. Is that clear? Look at 11 plus 1, 11 plus 1. That many factors are multiple of 10 power 88. We take it because we take it out. So anything, do you see anything inside, anything this part. So we just calculate the harmonic factor for this one. Is that clear? How we solve this? This is the one. Okay. So let's say by that knowledge, okay, you should be able to solve this problem, right? Right or no? Yes or no? Should be, right? But you can try to solve because you're scared probably. Big number, right? And actually, if you are really carefully and think of what we learn, you can solve this one, right? And we get time, we get 1 more minute over already. And I have some problem for you. And I cannot talk, no time. And take a look at MC12 problem. And I want to show you this one. Anybody know this one? What is this? What is that? IMO. Another, not another test. This test is a very special, top one. Okay, exactly. Okay? And I want you after the class to do homework to solve more problem, okay? You get more Amy problem even. See another Amy. Okay? We stop here. You have a good night. This class is good. I enjoy that. Okay, bye-bye. Last class is tough. A lot of students distracted. And we are good, okay? Bye-bye.